I'm trying to change my style because I don't have any. So, I have a box here from a company called, can't see it, Stitch Fix. For the past, I think, 5 years, my default clothing has been jeans, t-shirt, hoodie, and I'm bored of that. I'm getting older, I've got a child, and I just like to dress a bit more fun and a bit more, not my age, because I feel like you should be able to dress with however you want to dress, but I want to dress more like a mum. That doesn't make any sense. What does a mum dress like? A mum dresses how she wants to dress. I don't know. I want to, you know, be a bit more adventurous with my clothes. I'm bored of navies, I'm bored of stripes, and I'm bored of jeans and hoodies. Not saying I'm never going to wear them again. I'm not going to throw all my navies, stripes and hoodies in the bin. But basically I've cleared out loads of my wardrobe. I've got rid of clothes that I don't wear anymore, don't really like anymore. And I have nothing left. And instead of just walking into H&M and buying all the same things I've just chucked away, I thought I'd try something new. So, Stitch Fix. Can't see the size, you can't see the logo, not very well. The packaging is not the best, is it? It doesn't say what it is. Stitch Fix. If you didn't know what Stitch Fix was, it's basically a subscription clothes service. You fill in a questionnaire online, it's quite a long questionnaire, fill in a questionnaire, and then a stylist will then go through your answers and pick out 5 items of clothes for you and post them to you. And I think that process there costs £10. And if you like any of the items, you keep them and you buy them. So they do have you do pay for the clothes. And if you buy all of the clothes, they give you a discount. And I think you can do it weekly, monthly, however often you want. I did have a box sent to me last week before last, and I sent everything back because it was all horrible. Didn't like any of it. It was very much sort of formal office wear, and as I'm not working at the minute, and even if I was working, I'd most likely be working from home, so I don't need to be wearing office wear. I didn't like any of it, so I sent it all straight back. So that was annoying, but because I sent it all back, they did say to me in the email, you can have another box sent to you without having to pay another £10. So let's see how this goes. If you are interested in Stitch Fix, I will leave my referral link below. If you do decide to give it a go, using my link will get you £15 off anything you decide to buy, and then also I will get I think I get £15 off anything as well. I'm not sure about that. It's just a referral link, you know, I'm not getting paid, it's not an ad. Just thought I'll add that down below in case anyone was interested and wanted to change up their style too. I say that hoping this box has goods. It feels like there might be shoes in there. Let's find out. Let's open the box. What's in the box? Oh, I'm nervous because my last box was so disappointing. And I'm hoping this has some good stuff in there. Ugh. So here we are. Here's a box of leaflets. Gives you information about what you want to do if you want to change any of the sizes, because you do put your sizes in, but obviously you never know these days what your actual size is because all the shops are different. This is a leaflet of how you can style some of your clothes, and then the return information. Oh, I'm nervous. I just want nice clothes. Right, oh, come on. Here we are. Oh, there's no shoes in there. Just very heavy clothes. Let's go. Okay, first of all, we have, that's quite nice. Oh, I quite like that. That is a long sleeve, I think it's sort of cropped top. It's from Free People. I know Free People is an expensive brand, so I dread to think the price of that. But I do like that. I like that colour. And it's, yeah, I can see myself wearing that. It's sort of a, what's it called? Sea breeze colour. Ocean breeze. Ah, I'm not silly. I like that. I like that a lot. So we'll see about the price of that first of all before I commit to anything, but I do quite like that. The next thing. It is a long sleeve dark green. The colours aren't coming up properly. It's dark green. No, it's like a really nice, it's a nice colour. Dolly Skinny Rib Crew Neck Jumper. It's from Editor's Cut. Yeah, right. I do like it. I'm not 100% though, because I don't know, maybe this is where I need to start adventuring out more into things like green. Why is it not coming out green? It's black on the screen. It's green, I promise. Let's see what that looks like on. Let's see what it looks like on. Ooh. Jeans. Now this will be interesting. Oh, these look nice. Iris Authentic Premium Twill Skinny Jeans. Hopefully they fit me. I'm very confused with jeans, with my bottom size. They do look really nice though. They're stretchy, they might fit. It's hard to know with jeans. Once you've had a kid, I mean, before I had a kid, I was struggled with jeans anyway. But once I had a kid, I'm like, what size am I? Because my hips are a bit wider than they were, because obviously I had to grow a human. But then my legs are like the same size, so I don't know what size I am anymore. Most recent vlog, I bought a pair of shorts and a pair of jeans from Lindex. I highly recommend them, they're very nice clothes. Both of them are different sizes, the shorts and the jeans. Both of them fit me. Could you please make up your mind, body? But I do quite like them. So far, I'm quite happy with these items. I'm looking at this, and I'm loving it. I'm loving the pattern on this. I don't know what the item is though. I'm slightly worried. This is the pattern. I love it. Love, love, love it. What is it? It is a dress. From the brand Object. I'm concerned with the cost of this as well. It's a long maxi dress. Oh no, here's a dress. I thought it was a play suit there. Though it's not the right weather for a play suit. It's got like it's like a shirt bit at the top. It's a bit more formal than I would necessarily need, but I do like it a lot. It's so hard to show in this tiny little camera. You'll see, I'll try them all on. And the final thing, so it's 5 pieces you get. Final thing is, what did I just say? It's a jumpsuit, but actually it's quite nice. This is something I would never ever usually buy. From the brand Only. I've never heard of this brand before. It's like a khaki coloured. I'm not gonna lie. I do quite like it. Why is it? It's too hard to show these things, but it is interesting. I like it. Right, what are the prices of these things? This is where it gets you, because you think, well, these are nice, I'm going to keep them. Then it's like £4 million. Okay, so the prices of everything. The editor's cut jeans are £45, which isn't really bad. That for jeans, that's acceptable. For the dress, it's £60. Which is more than I would ever spend on a dress. The crew neck jumper, the dark green jumper, is £40, it's £39. That's expensive for a jumper, isn't it? But again, it's something where I'm like, if you want to have nice stuff, you may have to pay more. Because the amount of things I chucked away when I cleared out my wardrobe, most of it was from Primark. And pretty much all of it had shrunk or gone bobbly. And so you are paying for the quality, aren't you? The Free People top, which I really do like, long sleeve t-shirt, I do like it a lot. But it's £40 for a t-shirt. Where do they get the prices from? And then my jumpsuit is £45. How can they justify that? How can a jumpsuit be £45? A whole outfit be £45 and a single jumper be £40? Whew. So the total of all of that was £229. But if I were to buy it all, I would get 20% discount, which is £45.80. So the total is then £183.20. I was referred by my cousin, and then I referred Sean. I have £30 referral fee. So the total is £153.20, which is a lot of money for 5 items of clothes, which makes me sad because I do like a lot of it. So like, you only get the 20% discount, you buy everything. So that's where they catch you, because it's like, well, if you don't like one of the items, it depends on if it's worth the 20% or not. Let's try these things on and then we'll see where that goes. Okay, these are the jeans. They're very tight around the waist. Like I said, I struggle with jeans. They might just need breaking in a bit. fit, but they do fit. They look alright. But they're on. They're alright, aren't they? Bouncy. What do you think? I think I'm a fan. I'm not sure if this top is designed for people with extra long arms. It's very, very move your arm and your stomach's on show. Not sure how I feel about that, which is surprising actually. Of all the things, this is probably one of my favourite. Oh god, it's got these thumb things. Why do these exist? What's the point of these thumb things? Someone explain to me. Is there like some sort of reason for it? Why do I need my thumbs in? Why do I need my thumbs in these things? What does that do? Is it some sort of fashion statement? To be honest, this isn't my favourite thing. I thought I would really like it. It's alright, but I feel like it's one, you know? But actually, it's quite nice. It's very, very soft. I'm just going to walk around just touching myself all the time like this. It's actually quite nice. Can't see it in this. It's just, why is it black on the screen? It's dark green. Oh wow. But actually, I quite like it. I'm not wearing anything underneath it, so maybe I need to get like a vest or something for underneath it, because I feel like if it was to get super hot, I'll be stuck. But actually, that's surprising. I do quite like it. Especially for the winter months, definitely sort of like a dark green, crispy colour. And actually, I quite like my hair colour that goes with it quite well. Not something I'd ever really thought about before. Okay, right, now on to the dress and the jumpsuit. Let's do the jumpsuit first. I mean, it's alright. Not with these socks. I just think it's a bit too small. I don't know what size it is. It fits. It's a bit tight around my middle area. Quite short here, so here isn't flattering. But one thing I will say, it is super soft. Super soft. I saw on the label it's some sort of like ethically made company. I'm not sure. I'll have to have a look again in a minute, but like I say, I like it. I think it's quite, again, I think it suits, does it suit my skin colour? I think so, yeah. But I'm not sure about the sizing, because I'd need something here all the time. And here's the dress. Why does it look so funny on me? I can see people wearing it. I can't see me wearing it. I feel like I look like a buffoon. Oh, it's got a slit on the side. That's all the buttons are up. Why does it look so like bulky? Oh, this is my favourite thing. Again, I don't know how to do knots on these things. What am I? I just don't get what my. Somehow I don't think that's correct. It's got pockets, that's good. Oh, I'm not sure. As I'm not going on holiday as well, I don't know when I would wear this. Because obviously it's now getting colder. When am I going to have a chance to wear this? But then I guess you could. I don't know. Oh, I'm not sure. I'm really sad. I really like this. Oh, this is really upsetting and really surprising as well, because of everything I just figured the green jumper would be my least favourite thing, and so far everything I've tried on, that and the jeans, which I kind of knew I'd like if they fit, are the only things I really like and find suit me. Right, so I thought I'd, just before I forget, the jumpsuit it's by a brand called Only, and it's got this little green label on it which says Tencel feels so right. This garment is made with Tencel branded lyocell fibres derived from sustainable forestry and produced in a very eco-friendly way. So that's the jumpsuit there. So that's good to know. Okay, so this little card that comes with the order, it has all the items and how you can wear them. So for example, outfit fit suggestions for the jumpsuit, you know, you can wear a white jumper with it, with some Converse. With the dress with the leaves on, you know, it says wear it with just some sandals and a green trench coat. you know, it's just quite a nice little thing if you're not too sure how to style certain items. I'm disappointed, more disappointed with myself more than the Stitch Fix, because realistically in a dream world I'd keep all of those things because I like all of them. I mean, the jumpsuit is the one thing where I probably would never buy or try on if I was in a shop, because it's so out of my usual things to wear. But looking at everything now, I mean, having tried it on, the Free People jumper, of all the things, that is probably my least favourite, which is so surprising because this is so up my alley. I would this is like traditional Caroline kind of clothes, like long sleeve, lightweight, crop top, this sort of colour. It's right up my street. But it just looks weird on. I don't understand why. I don't know why the arms are so connected to the body. And then the thumb holes, I'm just like, that's not kind of my sort of thing. So I won't be keeping this. Yeah, this is my least favourite thing. Like I said, if I was going to end up, if I liked everything else and had decided to keep everything else, then I would just take the 20% off and just buy everything, because there's no point in sending the one item back, because my buy or discount is 20%, which is £45, and this cost £40. So by sending it back, I would lose out, if you know what I mean. The dress. This was one of my favourite things. I absolutely love this dress, but it just looks so weird. So I won't be keeping this. What a shame. Again, had I liked absolutely everything and was going to keep them all, I would have asked for a different size in this jumpsuit, because it is a bit tight in weird places. I was thinking maybe if I liked everything else, I would just ask for a medium. This is a small. I would just ask for a medium, and then maybe it would fit, and then we could go from there. But it's not my favourite colour, I will say that much. And because of that, and because I'm not going to keep everything, I'm just not going to bother with getting a different size, because it's something that I would have kept and would have worn had I liked everything else. But it's not my favourite thing. I was confused by the strap. So I'm just like, I'm not going to waste my energy on getting a different size and trying to make it work. So it's a no for the jumpsuit. One thing I think I always knew I was going to keep if they fit were the jeans, because I just like jeans. As I've said, my staple is jeans, hoodie and a t-shirt. And the fact I've got jeans, the one thing I said I wasn't going to like, my least favourite item, but I'm actually going to keep it, is the green that looks black on camera, the green jumper, because I really like it. It's really soft. When I put it on, I thought actually it looks quite nice. If I wear a small vest underneath, I think it'll be great. And so that was £39. So obviously I'll get £30 off those two items, which is not too bad. How much? That'll be 45 plus 39, so £80, £85. So it'll be 50 quid for the two of them. So I guess that's not too bad, 50 quid for two things. Is it 50 quid? I can't do my maths. But anyway, I think I'm going to keep the jumper and the jeans because I think they are nice. And so that's that. That's my Stitch Fix experience. I'm then now just going to go on the website and give my feedback and then send those things back, because you only have 7 days with them before they charge you the full amount. That's been my Stitch Fix experience. Thank you very much for watching. If you did like this type of video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you fancy it. Like I said, if you do want to give Stitch Fix a go, I'll leave my referral link in the description box below. This isn't an ad. You get £15 credit and then I also get £15 credit. So we're all winners. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!